I'm going to define a concept of how to solve a one variable equation. And the equation that I have chosen, and I've just made it up completely out of the air, is going to be 4x plus 6 equals 100. Can't really see that. 4x plus 6 equals 100. Now, according to purplemath.com, the first rule is to, whatever you do on one side of that equal sign, you have to do on the other side. They compare it to a toddler. Everything has to be fair. So, the second thing to keep in mind is that we want to isolate our variable. Our variable in this case is the 4x, well, the x essentially. So, in the equation 4x plus 6 equals 100, our first step is going to subtract 6 from both sides. We want to keep that balance in place. So when we subtract 6 off both sides, the 6 cancels out on the left side, and the second side becomes 94. So our new problem is 4x equals 94. Now, the next step that we want to do is to continue to isolate that x variable. So we want to divide both sides by 4. So we divide 4x by 4, and we divide 94 by 4. Whenever we divide 4x by 4, those 4's do cancel out. And our remaining problem is going to be x equals 23.5. Now, if we plug that 23.5 back into our initial problem, we're going to do 4 times 23.5 plus 6 equals, and if you work that out in your head or on a calculator, you will see that that will equal 100. So that shows us that we are correct. X equals 23.5.